Job openings for HR trainee at UltraTech Cement. Position HR trainee. Location Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Qualification MBA, PGDM HR. Program 1 year NAPS Apprenticeship. Duration 1 year. UltraTech Cement is offering an opportunity for HR graduates to gain hands-on exposure across key HR functions through a 1 year NAPS Apprenticeship Program. Learning areas: talent acquisition and recruitment, learning and development, employee engagement, HR operations and employee lifecycle, performance management, HRMIS and analytics, HR business partnering. Opportunity highlights: gain practical experience across key HR functions, get hands-on exposure to various areas of human resource, build a strong foundation in HR through a structured 1 year NAPS apprenticeship. Eligibility: क्वालिफिकेशन MBA और PGDM HR, ड्यूरेशन 1 ईयर। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो दिए गए ईमेल पर अपना अपडेटेड CV भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। जॉब लोकेशन रायपुर, छत्तीसगढ़। थैंक यू।